Hello friends, this is Sauvagya and you're watching Art and Click. In this video, we will make a quick digital sketch of Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. I did bit experiment here. I took a snapshot from the movie Bose the Forgotten Hero played by Sachin Khedkar for the role of Netaji. His face was quite resembling, like you can see the chin pattern, nose not 100% but still all total he looked like Netaji. This is the actual picture of Netaji, so I kept two references and in between that I tried to develop the sketch, and let us see how it came out. First I took geometric reference like 1 2 3. These 3 points make a triangle with almost similar sides. I referred that. I didn't go by a square plot, 4 into 4 or 5 into 5 or 10 into 10. That could have been also easier, but I wanted to challenge myself, so I started that way. In digital painting, the advantage is, unlike pencil rubber, you have do, undo, erase, redraw, and when you make 100 revisions and one time you find quite accurate and quite close to the desired look. I tried to keep the ear similar to that of Netaji, and wherever I found flaw, I tried to correct them. And gradually, one point when I was convinced that this could be the best possible look within stipulated time, I stopped there. So first I drew the line art through pen tool, or you can say ink art, just black ink, black straight line. You just I did with Wacom digitizer, 4 into 6 inch size, and I tried to keep the proportion up to the mark, and slowly I tried to get the desired look, and yes, this is how it developed. I found the face, this line bit straight if you check from starting to ending, and that way I kept on experimenting, where the eyes should be, where the ears should be, the desired distance. जैसे हम अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं कि अभी 12 बज रहा होगा या फिर यहाँ से तकरीबन 2-2.5 किलोमीटर पड़ेगा वो जगह, वैसे ही अनुमान करके हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि कान इतना दूर पे हो सकता है, ये स्पॉट पे हो सकता है, और कैप इधर हो सकता है, ज्योमेट्रिकली ये शेप हो सकता है. तो वही अनुमान को यहाँ पर हम रिक्रिएट करते हैं. इट्स माइंड दैट मेक्स द स्केच, and we try to reproduce, and we try to get our visual memory. जब वो बोल देता है कि हाँ यही सही है, तो फिर हाथ वहाँ रुक जाता है. This is how we make a painting. So all total, this is how I made. I made 2 layers. I used Clip Studio Paint. That is a kind of software meant for digital painting. And yes, this is how the look has come. I did one mistake somewhere. It was probably a pattern pencil. Later I smudged it. So ink tool, then black ink for the sketch, then a color layer, color with a basic brush in Clip Studio, and I just took the color from the reference picture, and this is how it came. And when I was convinced that this could be the possible look, and I stopped there. Yes, this was the final look, and I was convinced. It took 1 hour, and for 1 hour with limited iterations, I was convinced with the result. I used golden color for the buttons, and this green khaki color for the cap and the dress. Pinkish brownish composition for light pink, light brown color composition for the skin tone, and that's it. This is how it has come, and if we further detail it, it has no limit how accurate it should be. And it was a kind of sketch we seen in Chanda Mama or Amar Chitra Gatha. I took inspiration from those kind of sketches, and I think the look has come a bit convincing. What do you think? If you think the content is useful, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.